we're going to talk about story stones, blending nature with language arts. Story stones are smooth stones that you can find in nature with your child, perhaps on nature trails, hikes, maybe at the beach. Collect as many as you can together, then wash and dry them. Now you can create characters, objects, or perhaps even settings, and make them with magazine cutouts, stickers, markers, paint, or perhaps even clip art, and you can be as creative as you want to be. These stones make great storytelling prompts that will spark your child's creative imagination and foster critical thinking. They are open-ended, so the sky is the limit to developing your child's communication. These stones are also great sensory tools as you can hold them. They're cool and smooth. You can use them as they tell their oral stories or write them. And they also make a really cool clinking sound that's very soothing as you draw them out of the basket or bag, whatever you have them in. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you next week.